When you search for folding electric bikes, everything looks almost identical. Same features, same flashy photos. But to really know what sets them apart, you have to dig a little deeper. Product number 1, Repint Mini bike. First up is the Repint foldable electric bike, priced at just $199. What caught my attention is its compact design and a powerful 740W peak motor. If you want an affordable, reliable option for commuting, this is worth a serious look. This e-bike features a 48V10R removable battery that gives you a range of 30 to 35 miles in pedal assist mode. That means you can confidently take on your daily commute without worrying about running out of juice. Plus, the adjustable handlebars and seat allow for a comfortable fit, making it ideal for both adults and teens. The dual-disc brakes add another layer of safety, ensuring you stop quickly when you need to. Now, I did notice some complaints about the bike feeling a bit wobbly at higher speeds. Here's the thing though, if you're mainly using it for short commutes and city rides, that's likely not going to be a deal breaker. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a budget-friendly e-bike that's easy to store and transport. Skip this one if you need something for rougher terrains or high-speed adventures. But for daily city commuting, it offers great value for your money. Now, if the budget-friendly aspect of the Repint bike caught your eye, this next option might be a step up in performance. Product number 2, TST electric bike. Next on the list is the TST electric bike, retailing for $599.95. The standout here is its impressive 1500W peak motor, which is a game changer for both commuters and adventure seekers. If you want power and versatility, this one deserves your attention. The bike boasts a 48V15Ah battery that can take you up to 60 miles on a single charge in pedal assist mode. That's perfect for longer rides or daily commutes without the stress of running low on battery. Plus, with features like a dual suspension system and fat tires, you can tackle city streets or rugged trails without a hitch. The LCD display keeps track of your ride data, which is super handy. However, some users mention the weight of 66 pounds makes it a bit difficult to handle. But honestly, if you're looking for a sturdy bike that can carry heavy loads and offer a smooth ride, the weight shouldn't be a deal breaker. This is great for you if you want an all-around bike that can handle city commuting and off-road adventures. Skip it if you need something lightweight and extremely portable, but for the performance it offers, it's a solid investment. Now, if the TST's weight is a concern for you, the next option might just be what you're looking for. Product number 3, TST Retro e-bike. The third bike on our list is another from TST. This one brings a retro vibe for $599.99. With a peak 1500W motor and a stunning range of up to 120 miles, it's truly built for adventure. If you want a bike that can go the distance, this one's worth checking out. This bike is equipped with a high-capacity 48V15R removable battery, giving you the freedom to explore without range anxiety. The dual suspension system makes it comfortable, even on bumpy trails, while the 20-inch fat tires ensure stability on various terrains. The Smart Control feature allows you to connect to an app, so you can monitor everything from speed to battery level, which is fantastic. That said, some users reported issues with the app connectivity. But honestly, if you're mainly riding for enjoyment and not relying on high-tech features, it shouldn't affect your experience too much. This bike is perfect for those who want to combine style with performance and range. Skip this if you're looking for something more compact, but it's a great choice for those longer rides. Now, if you're digging the style and performance but want something lighter, check out the next option. Product number 4, Gottrax R1 folding bike. Next up is the Gottrax R1 folding electric bike, priced at $659.99. This bike caught my eye with its lightweight design and solid performance. If you're after something that's easy to carry around, you should consider this one. With a 500W peak motor, this bike reaches speeds of up to 20 miles per hour, making it suitable for both commuting and casual rides. The 48V battery gives you a range of 25 miles in pedal assist mode, which is pretty decent for everyday use. Plus, it has a foldable design that makes it super convenient to store and transport. The smart display keeps you informed about your ride stats, which is a nice touch. However, some users found the battery life to be less than expected, especially on steeper hills. But here's the thing, for flat commutes or short rides, it performs quite well and is easy to manage. This is perfect for you if you need a portable bike for city commuting. Skip this if you're looking for something that can handle longer rides or rugged terrains, but it's certainly a solid option for urban cyclists. Now, if the portability aspect of the Gotrax R1 appealed to you, the final bike might be the most compact yet. Product number 5, Riacro Folding Electric Bike. Lastly, we have the Riacro Folding Electric Bike, which is priced at just $195. This bike caught my attention with its affordability and compact design. If you want something easy to store without breaking the bank, this one's definitely worth a look. The bike features a 700W peak motor, allowing speeds of up to 20 miles per hour at a range of 25 to 30 miles in pedal assist mode. It's lightweight and foldable, making it perfect for daily commuting. Plus, the adjustable seat and handlebars ensure a comfortable fit for various riders. The safety features, including front and rear lights, add peace of mind for night rides. That said, some users mentioned that the battery life could be better. But honestly, for short commutes and casual rides, it's a great entry-level bike that gets the job done. This is perfect for you if you're new to e-bikes or need a budget-friendly option. Skip this if you're looking for high performance on longer rides, but for the price, it's a fantastic value. So there you have it, 5 fantastic folding electric bikes for every need and budget. Whether you're looking for something affordable like the Riacro or a powerful ride like the TST, there's definitely an option that fits your lifestyle. Make sure to weigh the pros and cons based on your commuting needs, and happy riding!